wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best marble runs. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Galt Toy Super comes with every type of shoot, curve and rotary drop a child could ever want for creating some extremely elaborate structures. A racing version is offered too, which can accommodate up to 4 players. It includes strong and stable bases and a nifty paddle wheel. However, it needs better instructions. At number 9, the thinkfun Gravity Maze is for ages 8 and up, though don't be surprised to find that the and up includes the adults in your house. That's because this model is like a puzzle or game with 60 challenges that range in difficulty from novice to advanced. A laser version is also available and it promotes logical thinking, but it's not great for colorblind users. Coming in at number 8 on our list, children who have trouble stacking or connecting items might enjoy the learning resources tumble trax. Instead of assembling freestanding shapes, your kids can use the magnetic pieces to build runs on a flat metal surface, such as a refrigerator door or a whiteboard. It includes 10 activity cards and comes in at a budget-friendly price. However, the foam can be damaged with rough use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for marble runs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, with an impressive 60 feet of track that you can arrange in a plethora of shapes, the quercetti skyrail offers abundant opportunities for exciting inventive play. It arrives with over 400 pieces, including 6 bases, 55 pillars, and 74 supports and junctions. It teaches kids about centrifugal force and comes with a highly detailed instruction booklet, but this one is complex, so it's best for older users. Moving up our list to number 6, the hape quadrilla vertigo is a wooden model, so it's good for those trying to keep their kids away from plastics. It includes straightaway rails, 3 spiral funnels and a seesaw, and the overall design was inspired by Leonardo da Vinci's circles. It's made with a non-toxic finish and the hardwood blocks are color-coded. However, it requires a steady hand. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Discovery Toys Marbleworks starter set improves hand-eye coordination, boosts planning skills, and is also a lot of fun. It's made of high-impact polystyrene that's both visually appealing and tough enough to withstand heavy use. The runs are easy to disassemble and the pieces are BPA-free, but note that it is only for small, non-standard marbles. At number 4, the mindware Cube Amaze 2.0 boasts 4 cube designs that can be used to create ramps, scaffolds, paths, and more. It doesn't require any glue or connectors to fit the pieces together, and the included steel marbles will never crack like glass ones can. It makes shapes like hearts and trees and teaches some basic physics. However, young kids may need adult help. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Marble Genius Superset is a bestseller for a number of reasons. It's affordably priced, constructed of solid plastic pieces that are easy for kids to stick together and can be built to impressive heights. Its wide bases make it pretty stable too. It builds a variety of structures and works with many other sets. The box works well for storage too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for marble runs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you already have a lot of building blocks at home, the Duplo-compatible Best Choice Products 97 piece should make an excellent addition to your collection. You'll get a great bang for your buck, and your child will have a whole load more tools for creative play. It's made from sturdy ABS plastic, with 2 base plates and balls that have emoji faces. And coming in at number 1 on our list, kids can improve spatial awareness and planning skills as they track their marbles through the courses they build with the mindware Mega. It's an innovative toy that offers creative control, and for extra excitement, a motorized elevator is available for purchase too. It's bright and colorful and comes with 40 marbles. It's great value for the price. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for marble runs, or simply click beneath this video.